It's a very cold day here in Calgary, Alberta.
Minus 45.
I'm the mysterious cameraman. It's minus 40 here. We're going to do something that's never been done ever before. A dual TDI cold start.
Glow plugging. We're glow plugging still. We need some fuel.
Glow plugs on. Oh, glow plugs are off. Here we go. Get the key from the other one on the steps. Now here's how we roll. We're going to switch to the other vehicle here. Sitting on VVS LMs, of course.
Yeah, we rock LMs in the winter. That's how we are.
LMs in the winter time because we're a baller like that.
This is doctor number 1, doctor number 2.
Cold start number 2, dual 3.5-inch tips from a mufflerectomy.
Got like 400 million kilometers on it too already.
300,000 kilometers.
This one also needs gas, but that ain't no thing. We're just chilling.
And here's... This has been a second chapter cold start.
Where's all the diesel?
1 diesel, 2 diesels, and a 3rd diesel right here.
It's all pit.